create an array create cheyadaniki, array, to create an array. Then counter question, why array? ML algorithm algorithm need array as input. Array as what mean? Input. Then we need array. Let me repeat again. Don't ask who is ML actually. ML is machine learning, is one of the topic in data science. Actual prediction will be done by machine learning algorithm. Actual prediction will be done by whom actually? Machine learning algorithm. For that machine learning algorithm, we need to give as input actually. That input should be array. That input should be. Then only ML algorithm, it works very nicely actually. What do you mean by that? Hold on. So just try to understand the ML flow. ML flow అర్థం చేసుకోండి. What is ML flow? You know, Sarji? Can you tell me? Yesterday I covered actually. First one always will get what mean? Data set or data. From the data, we need to create a data frame. Right? From the data frame, what are all operations we are applying? That is so called as a feature engineering operations. Feature engineering what mean? Operations or ops actually. After feature engineering, the next topic is nothing but a array. After array, the next topic is nothing but what exactly? No sir, ML algorithm. What algorithm? Machine learning algorithm. What algorithm, Sarji? Machine learning algorithm. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's take this one. Let me just try to explain one small idea. What is that idea? You know? Please listen carefully. Do you have a data like a salesforce.csv? Directly we should not give to the ML algorithm. Why we need to give ML algorithm? Prediction will be done by ML algorithm. Let me tell you, tomorrow Amazon how many sales it is going to happen, only ML algorithm will answer. Pandas never answer, Python never answer, no library never answer actually. Only machine learning topic will do the prediction. Right? Now for this machine learning algorithm, we need last 10 years data we need to give as input actual. Last 10 years data, historical data. This data, like as it is, can I pass to ML algorithm? No, you should not pass like that. See, this is the wrong way actually. At least Daniel, can I pass to the data frame? No, this is literally wrong again actually. At least can I pass feature engineering related operation? No again. And now at least can I pass to the ML array actually? Yes, this is the right way. This is what exactly mean? Right way actually. Conclusion of the story, data to data frame to feature engineering operation to array. Then Daniel, how to get array actually? If you know NumPy, you will understand how to get array. I need a response from you. How to get an array? By using NumPy lab. That's a flow. Indirectly, I am preparing you to understand the ML actually, to understand what exactly mean ML. Let me just try to close this. So that's what you need to be understand. Okay? Yeah. It's too cold outside. Muhammad Abdul Karim. Sir, you are from where? Which location? Today, last 2 days నుంచి ఓకే వాతావరణం బాగానే ఉంది, అంత చల్లగా ఏం లేదు సార్. Muhammad Sarji, are you texting me? Though I am asking offline students, right? Session is at 9:30, sir, not 5:30. Okay. It's okay, thank you. Just now I have seen. Where are we? I know we are at Naresh IT. Let's move on. Good. NumPy is a fundamental package. Come on, let's listen carefully. NumPy is what, Sarji? Fundamental package for scientific computing. Scientific what mean? Computing. Computing means calculation. Computing means what, Sarji? Calculation. If I have given a kind of some 500 bundle, then you will start first node, second one, third one. That is nothing but a computing. That is nothing but what, Sarji? Computing or calculating actually, right? In Python. It is a Python library. Man, let me tell you. In data science, all libraries created with Python. Created with what mean? Python. Pandas, backend Python. Matplotlib, backend Python. Python, that's what we are discussing. If it is not Python, why will discuss actually? Okay? Yeah, good. So the full form of NumPy is numerical Python. Chappan Sarji, numerical Python. Right? It's like a NumPy, but not NumPy actually. NumPy was created by Travis Oliphant. And what is an array? Simple. Array is an object which stores group of value. Array is an object which stores what mean? Group of values actually. Yeah, good. NumPy is a package. It's a package. It's a Python package. What is the main usage? What is the purpose? By using this, we can create an array. We can create what, such array? Right. So what is array? Array is a data structure. Array is a data structure. What is the main motto for the data structure? My points are straight to the point. Now points ఎప్పుడు కూడా straight గా ఉంటాయి. I never lag actually. Data structure. What is the main purpose for the data structure? By using data structure, చెప్తారా? By using data structure, we can store and process the data. We can store and what mean? Process the data. Process the data. That's okay. We already having the data structures. By this time, we already having the data structures. But what is the main motto for array actually? Hold on, sorry. Data structure. I hope you already know. మీకు తెలిసి ఉంటే ఇవన్నీ కూడా we already covered actually. Okay. Now let's go for Python. The next one pandas. The next one NumPy. From Python. Can you tell me, sir? Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Let's move on. First one is list. Next one tuple. Next one set data structure. Set data structure. Next one dictionary. Okay. In pandas, can you tell me series? The next one data frame. The next one NumPy array actually. Think like we have a huge data set. Huge data set actually. మీ దగ్గర పెద్ద data set ఉంది అనుకుందాం. Huge data set. Something like a instead of this 100 PB. PB means petabyte. Very big data set actually. Very big data set. Are you planning to use list data structure? On an average maximum it takes 10 days time to process the data. 100 petabyte you are using list data structure. Any data structure you can use, it may take on an average just think like a 10 days time actually. Are you using pandas actually 4 days? Are you using NumPy? You can expect something like a 1 day actually. So here storing any data structure will do, but ultimately processing really matter. What matter man? Processing. How long time it is taking to finish the task. How long time it is taking to finish the task actually. That is really important. That is really important actually, right? And here the important point will be how long time it's taking to finish the task. To finish what exactly mean task actually. మీకు ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. Let's take one small fun example. What is that fun example, you know? Man, in my hometown, not here. In my hometown, we have a big garden, sir. In front of my home, actually, we have a big garden, actually. My father, having 2 sons. So first one is a Prasad. The next one is a Daniel. Means myself, actually. My Prasad is my brother, big brother, actually. Okay, good. My father one day given task. What is the task, you know? So, dear Daniel, go to the garden. Go to garden and keep the water, right? So gardening actually. Go to garden and keep watering. Keep what exactly? Watering actually. Listen carefully. Yeah, I went to garden. Father, right? If I told I will not go, he will beat actually. I went to garden and on an average 1.5 hour I spent searching. How long time I spent actually? 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour I spent. I'm singing, I'm dancing, and I'm keeping water like that actually. The next day, dear Prasad, dear what exactly? Prasad, go to the garden and keep the water actually. Now my brother is, frankly speaking, he is very strict. He will finish the task within very quickly. I don't know how he is to do. Okay, just a matter of 45 minutes he done actually. Just a matter of what exactly? 45 minutes he is done. Let me tell you same task. Chapman sir, same task. What is the task? Keep the water to the watering to the garden actually. How long time I have taken? 1.5 hour. How long time my brother have taken? Yeah. Now think with respect to the data structure also. One data structure is taking some time. Time matters for us. I don't have a time. I need results very quickly actually. Now next time onwards, my father will call to whom? That's what I spent here 1.5 hour actually. I'm sorry. Are you clear or not, sir? Okay. Yeah. Move on to the discussion. Same thing like this. Yeah. Daniel, almost all data structures are storing. But for me, processing time really matter for me. What time actually? Are you talking about the NumPy array? Yeah. Array is a super fast. Array is what, man? Super fast actually. I would like to tell in terms of this speed processing, this is kind of some average. This is kind of some, very good actually. Very good. This is no doubt at all the best actually. This is so called as the best. In terms of the processing I'm talking. I believe you understand. Then I can move on. Let's move on please. sometimes that matter. Okay, we are good to go. If somebody is saying NumPy, remember only one thing: array data. What data? Array. Array is a data structure. Array is a object which stores group of values. Think like a something like a list of data structure, also called as a ordered collection of values. Insertion order is fixed. What is fixed, Sarji? Insertion order is fixed actually. And the array can store same type of value, and array can store different type of values also. Okay. Why we need to use array? Python lists are bit slow in terms of the process. Are you talking about the Python data structure? It is a little slow, Sarji. Slow for what? In terms of the process. I wanted to process the data actually. Python list data structures are little slow. NumPy arrays are what exactly mean? Faster than Python. It is a super fast actually. Super fast. Okay. The array object in NumPy is called as a ND array. Are you going to create an object to the array actually? Then backend ND array. Array means array. What is N means, you know, such number of dimension. 1D array, 1 dimension array, 2D array, 2 dimension array, 3D array, 3 dimension array, something like that actually. Are you creating object to the array? Backend ND array it will be created. What do you mean by ND? Are you giving 1 dimension data? Are you giving 2 dimension data? I will tell you what do you mean by 1 dimension. 1 dimension means single column or single row. 2 dimension means columns and rows actual. We'll see. Easy, very easy. NumPy is an open source. This is the one of the great added advantage for the data science and AI. Almost all libraries are open source, madam. Almost all libraries are. What do you mean by open source? Almost all companies, they invested huge money to start the company. They don't want to invest money on the software. Listen carefully. They don't want to invest money on what exactly mean? Software actually. If they really invested money also software, it eats like anything actually. That's what they will prefer, always only open source actually, right? NumPy is a open source. What do you mean by open source? You know, freely downloadable. The meaning for open source will be you can download software, along with that source code also it will be download. Source code also it will be download. If you want, you can update the source code also. That is possible. That is so called as a open source. Source in the sense source code actually. By default this is very important, sir. It is chala important. Am I going speed? Speed is cheptunana? Okay. Environment. Installation. Point number 1. There are few points you need to be understand. First of all, this is the way we can install. Chapter, sir, what is the way? Pip install. Sorry, sir. Pip install NumPy. Pip install what exactly? NumPy. Good. Case number 1. What is the case number 1? You know, if pandas installed, pandas kanaka already meer install chesinatlaite, then no need to install NumPy. Then NumPy is default. NumPy is what mean? Default. Malli cheptanu chudandi. Did you install pandas actually? Yeah, Daniel, I installed pandas. Pandas, did you invited, you know, so did you invite pandas? Hey pandas, you come and install actually. Pandas will call NumPy internally actually. Let me show you practical. Meeku practical చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Okay. Let me uninstall pandas. Let me, so pip uninstall pandas. Did you install pandas? I trust you. Yeah. Yes. While uninstalling, it will ask confirmation. Let me install. Pip install pandas. I'm installing pandas. Then backend pandas will install NumPy. Pandas will install what man? Let me show you. నేను చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Somewhere you can see NumPy. ఎక్కడో NumPy కనిపిస్తుంది చూడండి. కనిపించలేదా? ఫస్ట్ లైన్ లోనేనా? ఎక్కడ? Did you notice actually? Did you notice? So the point is, this is something like one shot, two boats actually. You are buying one product, but backend one more product is a free. What is that product? NumPy. So this is the point. What is the point actually? If pandas install, then NumPy is what man? Then no need to install. No need to install what? NumPy explicitly. Right. Next point will be, if pandas not installed, right? If pandas not installed, then please install. Then what exactly mean? Please, please install NumPy. Install what exactly mean? NumPy. I'm sure you got it, I guess. You got it, I guess. Now, yeah, Pandas I have installed. Pandas I have what exactly mean? Install. Do you think I need to install NumPy actually? No, but still, a simple search. Did you buy the new laptop actually? You have installed only Python. You didn't install any library. You didn't install what exactly mean any library. Now I wanted to install NumPy. How to install? Pip install NumPy. That's what you need to be understand. Can I continue? Come on, why it is taking a little longer time? Yeah, done. We are good to go. Somewhere you can see NumPy is installed actually. You can ignore what is pytg data blah blah blah. You can ignore actually. Okay. Move on. By default, NumPy will not get by default NumPy will not be available with Python installation. Explicitly, we need to install NumPy package. Run below command. The command name is a pip install NumPy. What is the command name? Pip install NumPy. NumPy. Pip command in Python. Pip command in Python. What is a pip? So pip stands for Python installer package. What is that one, Saji? Pip stands for Python installer package actually. PEP also. Okay, interview question, man. Let me tell you. Okay, interview question చెప్తాను చూడండి. What is PEP full form? Python, not this one. Not Arivai in Python. With respect to in Python actually. Python enhancement proposal. Yeah, interview question, man. Let me cover. Okay, interview question. During interview they may ask actually. We already know pip, but during interview what question they will ask, what is pep? What exactly mean pep actually? Pep. What is pep means, first of all learn the full form. Pep, the full form interne Python enhancement proposal. It's a very simple. Hold on. Good. Let me repeat again. Can you tell me one more time? Python enhancement proposal. Enhancement proposal. What it is? Ante deen ardham endante, imagine, this is just imagination. Imagine. In Python, first version. In Python, what exactly, sir? First version. Think like we have a only list and tuple. We have only what exactly? Just I'm giving just for your better understanding. నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్తాను అంతే. In first Python version, only two data structures would you have. Only what data structure would you have? Two data structure. There is a one developer, otherwise Python creator Guido Van Rossum actually. Guido sir. What he done, he implemented code actually, set and what exactly? Dictionary. Then I mean to say these two are new features. Chapter search, these two are what exactly? New feature. These new features he wanted to add into the Python version actually. Then what he need to do, he need to create a kind of some PEP document. PEP, just think like a PEP1 actually. PEP1. This is so called as a Python enhancement proposal, and he need to create one small document actually that he need to specify. I have created set and dictionary. Set and what exactly? Dictionary. Let me include into new version. Let me include in next version, next PY version actually. Conclusion of the story. Next Python version came V2. Can you tell me total how many data structures? Chappan Sarji. List next one. Tuple next one. I am sure you understand actually. Every month or every quarter, Python is going to bring new features actually. It's not like a new data structure. Imagine list having kind of some 10 functionality. They will be optimize that list actually. They will do some activities actually. That is so called as a PEP. Can you tell me what exactly? PEP. PEP means Python enhancement proposal. Important. Nowadays asking. Ee madhyana adugutunnaru. Okay. Why I remembered this suddenly? Why? Because PIP I remembered actually. PIP. Okay. Let's move on please. one of the pip8, this is the very famous. Did you remember naming convention chapter? One of the famous, the very important pep pep number. Actually, what is a pep number? PEP8. That number name is so called as a chapter search PEP8. Did you remember the naming convention chapter? Exactly, naming convention chapter came from PIP8 actually, right? Naming convention, all naming conventions. Naming convention, is it important? Not much important, but make idea on that. Convention chapter introduced with PIP8 actually. Online team, I believe you understand. Can I continue? Move on. Where are we? So cool. We are discussing about the topic. The topic name is so called as a NumPy. Yeah, good. So pip stands for I explained how to install NumPy. Pip is a package management system, and it is used to install and manage software package actually. If you install any package, it will be stored in one folder. What is that folder name? Very good. One more time. Site-packages. You remember that. Pip install package name and pip install what exactly? NumPy. Check install Python library. Check what man? Install Python library. I wanted to check pip show NumPy. You can just have to check like this actually. Is it installed or not? Pip show NumPy you can check. Pip list you can check actually. These are all things would you have. Okay. Import NumPy package. Import what exactly man? NumPy package. Yeah, get ready, Sachi. I'm sure you already know this. Let's take the basic program. I mean to say in Python, what is a basic program? Python lo basic program ela untundi. Yeah, it's like a hello world example actually. What is a hello world example, Sachi? Print of hello. This is the basic example. Kada? Yeah. The next one. In Pandas, what is a hello world example? Chapali. Import Pandas. Very good. In Matplotlib, what is a basic example? PyPlot SPL. Thank God you are responding. I feel so happy. Okay. Same thing like that in NumPy. Simple man. Import NumPy. Import what exactly man? NumPy as NP. And here also import Pandas as. Like this you need to learn. Any library, learn from scratch. A library is scratch nunchi నేర్చుకోండి. Then you will get an idea. Okay. Yeah, move on. Okay, any library version checking. If you want, we can check the version also. We'll see respectively. You can just try to move on here. Yeah. Good. Import NumPy. Let me just try to import search it. Can I ask a question? Why NumPy? To create an. మీరు చెప్దామా వద్దా అన్నట్టు చెప్తున్నారు మీరు. It's okay. Why import NumPy? Let me just try to print off. I mean to say done. NumPy importing is done actually. Success. Imagine if NumPy is not installed. What is output? Module not found error. What error, Sachi? Module not found error. Before importing, you have to install NumPy. If Pandas already installed, you no need to install actually. Can I get a response from you? While importing NumPy, name should be matched. Otherwise, module not found error. What error, Sachi? Module not found error. Make a note of this, right? So this is the way. Control S. Let me just try to. Sorry, let's take this code. Importing NumPy. Is it okay? Can I maximize? అనిపిస్తుందా సచిన్? అనిపిస్తుందా? Module not found error. Imagine module not found error in two cases you will get. రెండు scenario వస్తుంది. Scenario number 1. Before importing, you have to install. Otherwise, you will get a module not found error. Before importing, you have to install. Otherwise, you will get what man? Module not found error. Case number 1. Case number 2. While importing, name should be matched. Chapman sir, while importing, name should be matched. Otherwise, module not found error. So this is the way. Famous alias name. Like how matplotlib.pyplot having the alias name. How Pandas having alias name. How Seaborn having a. Don't ask what is alias. Alias ante entani adugutu. Python like avade, right? In NumPy also having alias name. What is that alias name? Sir, the first letter and next one will be here also first letter NP. Alias name is not, it can be fixed actually, but these are all universal alias. Almost all developers, they are using the same thing actually. All right, let me just say, can I alias it? Yes, you can do it, Sarji. You can as what exactly mean NP. We done what? Importing done and aliased also. That's it. Importing and aliasing. Importing and aliasing. There is a code. That's what you need to be understand regarding the introduction. Move on to the next. Sir, get ready. It's a right time. We need to understand how to create a array. We need to understand how to create what mean? Array actually. Very easy. Very easy. Okay. Good. Hold on. By this time, these are all data structures we know how to create actually. Data structures. I'm pretty sure you know how to create a data structure for list. Next one, tuple. Next one, set. Next one, dictionary. Next one, series. Next one, data frame. It's a right time, learn about the array. How to create actually. Get ready, sir. Then just try to understand. These are all about discussion. Now let me tell you how to create an array. Good. We can create a numpy array by using array function. Do you want to create array actually? The function name also same. Function name also what mean? Same. I have a question. I wanted to create a range of values. How to create? Range function. I wanted to create a range of values. How to create? Range function. I wanted to create a list. You can use a list function. I wanted to create a tuple. You can use tuple function. Same thing like that. I wanted to create array. You can use array function. You can use what function? Array function. Right. To create what? Range data type. Then you can use range function. List. You can use list function. My running notes is beautiful, frankly speaking. Just have a look actually, you can understand clearly. Same story. Do you want to create a set actually? You can use still set function. And if you want a dictionary also, dict function you can use, right? Same thing like that. I wanted to create a array now. If you wanted to create a array function from NumPy. From what exactly mean? NumPy actually. Function from NumPy. Can I get a response from you? Array is a data structure. Array is what mean? Data structure. I wanted to create. Use array function. What function, sir? Array function. Move on. Easy. Very easy. Chala easy. Even equal. Internally, it creates an object to the end array. Very good. The moment when you call array function, the moment when you call what function, sir? Array function, internally it returns end array object. End array. We will see practically. We can pass list, tuple and etc as a parameter to the array function actually. Are you calling array function? For that array function, as of now, you can load dummy data with the list data structure or tuple data structure. Then we can create an array. Having the same type of values is highly recommended. Array can store heterogeneous data. Array can store what data, madam? Heterogeneous data. But trust me, you can please pass only homogeneous data actually. That is the best practice. What do you mean by n dimension? What type of dimension? Either 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension. There is a one attribute. By using that attribute, we can see. You can skip this one. We can talk this one later. Okay, very good, search. Focus on this. So seems to be, can I create a array by using single value? Generally speaking, data structure means group of values required. Sir, what is required? Group of value. But still, I have a single value. Can I create? It's okay, you can create. But in real time, we are not doing this activity, right? Let me tell you. Let me explain. Get ready, please, everybody. Import NumPy as NP. First of all, hold on. Is equals to 44. Now, let me save this example. Can you tell me what is output, Sarji? 44. A kind of some single value. What exactly single value? With this single value, can I create a array? Yeah, you can create array, Sarji. To create array, what we need to do, import numpy as np, and here a equals to np dot array. Np dot what exactly array? Here you can pass yes. Here you can pass what mean? Yes, actually yes. Now I hope I'm going to ask one question. What is my question? Can somebody tell what is array? Function. Very good. Function. Very good. Very good. How can you say? With alias name you are calling. Simple with alias name. What alias name? Package name. That is rule number 1. Rule number 2. Function calling assigning into variable. That's it. Everywhere written actual. These are all roots. When you go to fundamentals, make idea undali. Go back to the read underscore CSV function assigning into variable written. Read underscore JSON assigning into variable written. Read underscore Excel. Man, trust me, almost 100% in real time function having the written. Function having what man? Make adu convince do. Let me tell you, backend implementation having the written actually. If you are able to look at that internal things, you are the master. You are the master actually. Okay. Yes. See. Daniel, what is the difference? 44 I'm able to see, but check the data type. Data type no sir, check the data type. If I check the data type for yes, actually, can you tell me what is the data type for yes? Integer. Very good. I hope you already know. A single number we converted into array. Now check the data type, sir. Put data type me check. Okay, this is ND array. What array actually? ND array in the sense number of dimension. Though it is a single number, no row, no column, 0th dimension. What dimension? 0 dimension actually. If you want, you can see what dimension. With array dot ndim. Anyway, this I can talk later actually. What is the result we are going to get? 0 dimension. What dimension? Anyway, I'm not focusing on the dimension. Later we can see, maybe today only. As of now, try to understand how to create a array. How to create what exactly mean? Array actually. Array ela create cheyalo nechukondi. We can create an array by using array function. Right? Creating an array. Creating an what exactly mean? Array. Move to the next example. Oh, easy. Daniel, I know the list to data structure. It's okay, sir. I know list. Can I convert into array? Actually, you can convert. This is something like a typecasting. This is something like what man? Typecasting. Me gurtunda? Yeah. Go back here. Hold on. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, what exactly? 40. I wanted to, this one is a list to data structure. You may ask a question, Daniel, I wanted to convert from list to tuple. How to convert? Tuple? Very good, sir. You guys are up to date in the subject actually. Chodam, example, started exam. We'll say tuple of what exactly? Yeah. Now you can cross verify what exactly we done, here. We have converted from list to tuple. Same thing like that. This list value, can I convert into array? We can do it actually. How to do that? Right? You can just have to import numpy. Chappan Sajid. Import numpy as np. Good, very good. And here, kind of some b equals to np dot array of Chapane. Yeah, exactly. Now, we are creating a array by using list. Array, you can just have to say, we are creating array data structure by using what exactly mean? List to data structure. Yeah, you can just have to say this. Observe this one. List to data structure, comma separated. Array, no comma, space separated. Don't think like that actually. If you execute the same example in Jupyter, you may get a comma also. Don't believe the result actually. Check the data type. Check what searching? Data type. Data type check. Now, how to check the data type? Type of A. The next one, type of B. Then let me ask you, in the given example, how many functions I am using? Any functions use chestano cheptara? Come again. Good. First one is a list, next one is a array. How many functions? 3 functions. Cheppandi okkoti. Array, print, type. Array data structure, next one, print, type. Print and type coming from Python. Array function coming from, that's it. Move on. Creating array by using list. Sorry, man. This is the way. It's a function. What is the function name? It is a way to prove. Will you prove this is the function? Yeah, boss, we can prove actually, right? One n dimension we can see later, sir. తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం దాని గురించి. What I'm doing. Oh, Daniel, yeah, tell me, sir. By using array, can I create rows? Can I create what exactly? Rows and columns actually. Rows and what exactly mean? Columns. The answer will be yes, we can. Yes, we can actually. Let me show you. By using arrays, can I create a rows and columns kind of some data structure? Yes, we can create. Let me show you how to do that actually. Can I tell you here using single list? Now creating array by using nested list or else multiple list actually. Now here let me show you nested list. Nested list చెప్దాం చూడండి. Go back and get ready, man. Okay. Import numpy as np equals to, let me create a nested list. Nested list create చేస్తాను చూడండి. 10, 20, 30, 40. 30 what exactly? 40. Quite interesting. Then b equals to చెప్పండి np dot array of a. Let me just set to print b. Anyway, let us not print list. We already know that. Yeah. Quite interesting, Sachi. This is seriously awesome. Did you remember data frame? It looks like say data frame, but when it comes to data frame having columns, data frame having index, both are visible. But when it comes to know array data structure, only displays the data. Only displays data, rows and columns. Rows and what man? Column. Right. First one, this one is a row number 1. This one is row number 2. Column number 1, 10, 30, first column. 20, 40, second column actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? ఓకే, గుడ్. We already have array. Why we need again array function? Okay. Yeah. Ma'am, let me explain. In Python, we have a list actually. We have what exactly? List. List is a data structure, right? Then how to create actually? We can create by using square brackets. Now even we can create by using list function. Conclusion of the story. Array is a function we are using to create an array. List is a function we are using list function to create a list actually. Are you clear? Just now I have seen. ఇప్పుడు చూసాను మీ ప్రశ్న. No response indicates to you understand clearly. Let's move on. Okay, move on. Yeah, where are we? Where I am discussing. Oh, I covered how to create a array how to create a array by using single list. I explained. Next one, I explained how to create a array by using nested list. Let me explain. This is quite interesting. In real time, we are using. We can create array by using series. By using what, man? Then by this time you should know what is series. We can even create a array by using data frame. By using what, Sarji? Let me cover both. Meeku oka clarity vastadi. Can I continue? Yeah, let me cover. Let me cover actually. Creating array by loading file. By loading CSV file actually. CSV file. Hold on. Creating array by using what? Array. By using what? Hold on. Then I'm so happy. I hope I can get a response from you. How to load a CSV file? The file name is a sales1.csv. చెప్తారా కోడ్? Import pandas as a pd. తర్వాత go to Thank you. Then go to that file, a file capture chaining. Yeah, this is the gamma separated file, and you can just try to, we are good to go, sir. Cheppandi. Import Panda says pd df equals to pd dot read underscore csv, and what is the file name? I know you became master in this actual. Get ready, sir. Wow. This is the data frame. This is what? Data frame. Good, very good. I wanted to know number of rows and columns actually. What attribute? Come again? Shape attribute. Good. I wanted to access only this column. How to access? Two ways. Simple dot notation, index. Let us apply that actually. Very good, very good. Yeah. Order, ID. While accessing column name should be match. Otherwise, what error? Very good, boss.
Key error.
Good. Now listen carefully. You know how to create a data frame? You know how to create a series? You know how to create a? One more time. You know how to create a? Over that series, you can call one attribute. Attribute name is a values. What is that attribute name? Then it returns array. ఇప్పుడు మీకు array వస్తుంది చూడండి. Now you will get what exactly mean array actual. Array. Total how many values you know, Saji? Total 600 value. First value, second value, third value, respectively. These are all values it displays actually. Displays. మీకు అర్థమైందా? Conclusion of the story. Values is a attribute where it is available inside series. Are you calling values attribute actually? It is giving the result as a array data. It is giving the result as a. Are you clear, sir? మీకు అర్థమైందా? So now look at the flow. ఇప్పుడు మీరు flow చూడండి. Go back to the flow. Look at the flow. Flow. Did you remember? మీకు flow గుర్తుందా? What is that flow actually, Daniel? Flow అంటే can you tell me? Data frame. We loaded the data frame. We loaded what? Data frame. Feature engineering operation means we are loading single column. Then we need array. To get array on top of series, what we call actually dot values. Adi meeku flow ardham kavali. Repeating again, data, sales1.csv. You created a data frame df. Feature engineering operation means you are loading single column. From this series, I need a array called dot values. Call what mean? ఒక ఫ్లో ఉంటుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ రిమెంబర్ దట్ ఫ్లో ఆసమ్. మీకు టెక్నికల్ గా బాగా అర్థం అవుతుంది. ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. కెన్ ఐ కంటిన్యూ? మూవ్ ఆన్. ఈజీ సార్. ఫస్ట్ మీ డేటా సైన్స్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఈజీ. చాలా ఈజీ. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రియల్లీ వెరీ గుడ్ ప్రాక్టీషనర్. sales1.csv. df of order ID. Wake up, sir. Please wake up actually. Let's just try to run this one. What exactly? Dot values. Then you will get ML algorithm. We'll see later. We'll see what exactly later. We are good to go. I'm trying my best actually. Is it okay? It's okay. ML algorithm we'll see later. Yeah. See the flow. Put flow చూడండి మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. There is a file. We created a data frame. We are applying, we are accessing single column. On top of single column, if you call dot values, what is the result actually? Array. Beautiful. Did you understand? I can move on. Let me just try to get the code actually. For your kind information, values attribute I already covered when I covered, series attribute. What is the topic name? Today is the point we have to realize. That day what I told, don't worry. One day is the time, that day I will cover. Today is the time. Go back. మీరు పాండాస్ టాపిక్ లోకి వెళ్ళండి. పాండాస్ సిరీస్ అట్రిబ్యూట్స్. Look at the result actually. What is the first one? Values. Whenever you are calling the values, you are getting the result as a the cinema. I hope you understand. Did you understand, man? Good. Values is a attribute. You are calling something by using object name. no parenthesis. You are calling something by using object name, no parenthesis, attribute. We are good to go. First one I covered. Same thing like that, somewhere one more attribute is available. Any idea? No, Daniel. Yesterday curry I didn't remember actually. That's still okay. Go back. Now import pandas as PD. df equals to pd.read underscore csv. Chappan sir, what is the file name? Sales1.csv. Now let's get data frame. Yeah. We got a data frame. Right? Over the data frame, there is one attribute. Attribute name is a values. What is the attribute name? Values. Values actually. See, if you call shape, if you call what exactly mean? Shape. Tuple is the result. Tuple of two values. Tuple of two values. Am I right? And if you call dot values, if you call what mean? Dot values, what happen, you know? Array is the result. What is the result? Array. You can just have to look at the screen. Ante em jarugundante, yeah, look at my screen. First row. I mean to say that this one is the first row, Daniel. It is taking the data. The next one, second row. Daniel, second row. Second row. Where is the second row? This one is the second row. Last row, Tarun record actually. Last row, Tarun record. You can see like this actually. When it comes to data frame, name of the columns it will be display, index it will be display, but when it comes to array actually, no name of the column, no index. Directly, man, this data we need to give to the ML algorithm. This data we need to give to whom actually? మీకు అర్థమైందా? గుడ్. నేను మళ్ళీ డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేస్తాను చూడండి. లెట్ మీ డ్రా వన్ నైస్ డయాగ్రామ్. అయ్యో, హోల్డ్ ఆన్. ఐ లైక్ డయాగ్రామెటిక్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ సార్. నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం డయాగ్రామ్స్ అంటే. కెన్ టేక్ దిస్. అయ్యో, ఇట్స్ బికమ్ వెరీ బిగ్గర్. బట్ స్టిల్ ఓకే. The next one, this is array. సార్ చెప్పండి, ఏంటిది? డేటా ఫ్రేమ్. Then what it is? Array. Then this array data, to whom we need to pass? ML. What is the next step actually? ML, machine learning algorithm. ML algorithm actually. Okay. End of this session, kindly remind me. నాకు గుర్తు చేయండి. This is the flow. Do you have a data frame? ML algorithm don't want data frame. ML algorithm need what man? Array. How to get array from the data frame? By using dot values attribute. By using what? What is a bridge, you know? See, నా చేతిలో డేటా ఫ్రేమే ఉంది, కానీ మనకి ఏం కావాలి? అరే కావాలి. ఇన్ మై హ్యాండ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ డేటా ఫ్రేమ్, బట్ ఐ నీడ్ అరే. డోంట్ వరీ, వీ హ్యావ్ అట్రిబ్యూట్. అట్రిబ్యూట్ నేమ్ ఇస్ ఏ డాట్ వాల్యూ. జస్ట్ యూ నో నీడ్ టు రైట్ యువర్ ఓన్ కోడ్ సార్. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు హైలైట్. అంటే మీకు అరే కావాలి అంటే మీరు ఓన్ గా కోడ్ రాయాల్సిన పని లేదు. జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ కాల్ వన్ అట్రిబ్యూట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. సినిమా ఈజ్